Time now for the business day. Look to the east. That advice from a local realtor to Jamaicans who are looking to become homeowners. Andrew Laidley reports.
As more Jamaicans aspire to become homeowners, realtor Alison Morgan is encouraging seekers to look to the east. She says history has proven that properties on the fringes with a prospect for development usually yield positive rewards in the long term.
Jamaica is a developing country. What you find now is that persons would have bought in areas that were previously difficult to reach. But then there comes this enigma called Highway 2000. And then the stock prices in and around the community went like this, the housing prices, because accessibility was there now.
With development already underway on the Southern Coastal Highway, the realtor is suggesting that now may be the best time to make property investment in nearby communities.
Where else in Jamaica is being developed now that I could buy on the fringe? So I can't afford the Kingston 6 and the Mango Walk and the Country Club and the Trial.
The 40s.
But maybe there's a road that is being built somewhere now on the eastern end of the island that probably is going to make it easy to go to places in a couple of the parishes. I should buy a piece of land out there.
As for those concerned about securing a mortgage, Miss Morgan gave this advice.
I know my audience is saying, but the price ranges are so high and I'm only getting 13 million or 6.5 from NHT. There are deals, but you have to be prepared for the deal. You have to come in and have a conversation so that if you find a house and you're ready for it, or if your landlord selling it or your neighbor selling it, you would have gotten pre-qualified.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
As Digicel celebrates 20 years of operation in Jamaica, the telecommunications company announced plans to improve its infrastructure in the coming months. The company's CEO made the disclosure today during a press conference.
Improving the infrastructure is definitely rolling out more sites or towers where we don't have coverage or the signal is a bit weak, right? I'm happy to report that in the course of last 12 months, we rolled out about 400 new sites of so-called fixed LTE. And those areas, especially rural areas where the connectivity was not sufficient. So we're continuously investing, and next 12 months we're going to continue to invest more US dollars into building the infrastructure to address the demand, which is growing quite fast.
Currency trading ended today with the greenback selling for $152.13. The Canadian dollar sold for $122.05. The pound closed at $213.18, while the euro is going for $184.79. The JC Index gained 316 points today, and the Junior Market Index is up 25 points. Among the winners were Epley, Berger Paints, Elite Diagnostic, Palace Amusement, and Lumber Depot. On the losing side were CAC 2000 9.5%, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Sterling Investments, US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, and Supreme Ventures Limited. And that's the Business Day news from overseas when we return.